put your ass in the dirt.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes, bro.
What's up, YouTube? It's ITZMBANDZ. Welcome back to my channel. And today I got another banger for you guys. Today I'm gonna be sneezing on people. Oh, my bad.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, Jesus Christ, you did it to me twice.
Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry, man.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm a little sick, so I'm just playing with you. It's water.
Oh, Jesus. You got
this.
Oh my goodness. Oh, my neck.
I'm sorry, girl.
Oh, yes, you did.
Oh my God.
You don't have a cold, do you?
I mean, I was a little sick, so
Oh, no.
I'm sorry.
If I have tissue or something.
Here, I'll wipe it for you.
Wait a minute.
I'll wipe it.
I knew you didn't do it on purpose. Oh, no, look at she's all on my head.
Oh,
My goodness.
I'm sorry, boo.
Okay, we got it.
Okay, my bad.
Okay.
I'm just, a little sick, so.
Yeah, oh, goodness. So I'll take good pill.
I am. This black lady. Oh, my bad.
Honey,
Huh?
you got me.
Oh, my bad. I'm just sick. Oh. Sorry.
My brother just had a transplant.
Oh, man, I'm sorry. Oh, let me.
That's right. Well, you keep doing it.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just playing. It's water. I hope you'll. I hope your brother get better though.
I do too.
Oh. Oof. Sorry, I'm a little sick. You know where the medicine is by? Like. Oh, sorry. No, I'm a little sick. I'm just playing. It's water. I don't know. Oh, sorry.
Don't keep playing with me with that bullshit.
What? What bullshit?
Whatever you got in your hands, you find somebody else to play with.
Oh.
Lucky I ain't carrying because I put your ass in the dirt.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes, bro.
I'm sorry. I'm just sick. I'm just sick.
Sick my ass. You better find something else to play with.
All right. It was just a prank.
I know.
Have a good day. I'm weak. Have a good day.
Love me not to sneeze around y'all.
Do you know where the medicine is?
To close me,
Huh?
please.
Huh? I'm sorry. I'm sick. Where's the medicine?
You're sick. Why you coming? Close me and you do that, please.
I'm sorry. I didn't really mean to.
It is the. Where is the?
Can you show me?
Yeah.
I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing with you.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry. You okay?
No, you okay. You sit on my neck.
I'm sorry, ma'am. She don't quit running. Ma'am, I was just playing with you. It's water. It's water.
Girl, you better quit playing with me. I don't know what I was going to do.
I'm glad you walked away.
Have a good day.
Where the camera at? Y'all
Right here.
too much. Oh, hell no.
Oh, my bad. I just need to get over here.
What is this?
I'm sorry. My bad.
What?
My bad.
You football?
My bad.
Sure.
Here, let me help you.
Oh, merda, no.
Sorry. I'm just messing with you. It's water. Oh my God. He mad as hell.
Oh.
Okay, we had to switch stores on you guys because we just got kicked out of the last one. But we're about to keep this show on the road, if you know what I mean. Let's go. Fuck. These people do not know how to react to shit. Is it recording? If a motherfucker was sneezing on me, I would be doing something. They not reacting at all. I'm sorry. My bad. I didn't mean to do that.
Girl, stop. Back up off me.
Oh, I was just trying to help you, ma'am.
Excuse yourself.
I just said, excuse me, actually, ma'am. What? You having a bad day?
No, but you're bothering me and you're in my space.
You're in my space. This is a freaking Myers.
God, you sneezed all over me.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm just
Disgusting. Oh,
I'm just messing with you. It's water.
oh, jeez.
Have a good Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'll wipe it off of you. I'm just sick, so, you know. Sorry.
I didn't do anything to you. Are you like...
What's going on? I'm just sick. I'm sorry. I'm just messing with you. It's water.
Oh. I'm like,
Have a good day.
I thought I did something to you. I'm
No.
like, what did I do?
No, you're fine. Sorry. Sorry. I was just sick. It just came out of nowhere, so.
You sneezed now.
I know, I'm sorry. I said.
Why would you? Well,
Yeah,
I
I'm
don't
sorry.
understand why you did it.
I'm sorry. I'm just sorry. I'll wipe it off. But
You don't.
I'm just playing. It's water. I'm just messing with you guys. It's a joke. It's water.
Do I need to call the security?
I mean, if you want to. It's just water. It's a prank.
Are you a relative?
I don't even know her. Yeah. Pull out your phone. I'll type it in. Or you can type it in. You make YouTube videos too? Oh, okay.
I was just talking about it.
You just be talking about it? Just do it. Okay. Subscribe to me. You can watch my other videos too. You too. Go ahead and pull out that
on
phone.
there.
I mean, your reaction was kind of ass, so you probably won't. Right, you need to. Come on, for real.
I was in Pittsburgh.
Subscribe.
My phone died.
Your phone died, or huh?
You got Snapchat or something?
Yeah, it's the same thing on all social media.
All right, good.
Hey, thanks for the support. Not you though. No, just playing. Sorry. Sorry. Here, I'll wipe it off of you.
What are you doing?
I just sneezed. I'm sorry. Look at that lady. She watching us. Bro, that look like the Fox News man, don't it? Look, turn around.
We do.
That's funny. Okay, we can go. Son.
So I've got multiple complaints that you were going up
Multiple?
on people and sneezing on them.
Yeah, that's a joke, which I explained to
it's
her
not a joke.
already.
You
It
can leave-
is.
You can leave the store.
All right,
Get out of my store now.
your store.
Take the purses and go.
Oh, guess what? We wasn't. But thanks.
This day and age, that is not funny.
It is actually.
No, it's
When it's a prank. It is. You have a good day. Both of y'all. She couldn't wait. I knew she was looking at us. Ugh, that's irritating. Just trying to make some content, some You know. They still following us? Yeah. Y'all, they kicking us out like a motherfucker. It's Listen, let's hit a block.
No, for real.
Okay, she going to put tissue on the license plate. Hell no.
Oh. I'm scared.
Duck. Yeah. Do I got another SD card? Hold on, y'all. I'm taking the SD card out.
Ignore me. Whatever works, right?
She funny as hell, whatever works, right? Somebody then spotted her. Funny.
Like, girl was like, whatever works.
I know, I heard her. I was gonna pull out that one.
Oh, look at her.
Yeah, she's cool.
She's lame as fuck. Girl, boo.
You wanna record us?
We're gonna record you.
Thank you.